Greetings. I'm Uptown Savage. This is Sky. We have a press release for you. Welcome. You are invited to join the Bloomingdale's Nature Fair on Saturday the 1st of June. This experience is an inclusive phenomenon with limitless opportunity, exposure and satisfaction for everyone included. And you are invited to contribute and enjoy in creative ways, to be part of the day, help advertise, exhibit beyond the ordinary and inspire visitors celebrating. Blooming goal of the day: to keep the memories and special experience alive, inspire, reflect and actively implement new skills and insight acquired. To keep the momentum of awareness flowing ever stronger, to reacquaint and again bond with old friends, to meet inspired new ones of all ages, to celebrate nature in us, to be thankful, appreciate and protect what we have. We thank you. A good sunshine day to you.